Hi everyone, I hope everyone's keeping safe and doing as we should do in these troubled times. But today we've got a video and it's all thanks to my viewers. Now I get sent in clips all the time from all around the world and they're of different things and not all of them are worthy of maybe having an analysis video. But I do keep hold of these clips and today what I've decided to do, I've decided to show them out. Now, we've got 20 of these clips. I've just picked, honestly, the first 20 that were in the file in my computer. And maybe we could do another one of these videos a little bit later on. But what I've decided to do, we've got 20 clips and I've put them all together and I'm going to give away a dash cam. Now, how I'm going to do this, and it's not just to the people who have sent clips in, it's to all my viewers. But all you've got to do to get into this competition to maybe win this dash cam is literally comment and tell me which one of these clips that you prefer. And it's as simple as that. So let's get it started.
This clip comes from a local area near me, West Derby, and it was sent in actually by a driving instructor colleague. And what we've got to look out for is the young child that approaches the pavement from the road on the left now. The instructor, rightly so, gets to the dual controls and saves any potential problem. But the mistake he makes is actually winding his window down and trying to tell the parent how to keep hold of the kid or to keep the kid safe. The parent is always going to go on the defensive when you start questioning their parenting skills. But at the end of the day, the instructor was only trying to keep this kid on the scooter safe, and he didn't really deserve the mouthful he got from the parent. This junction is again quite close to me. It's at the end of the M57 and M58 in Liverpool, and this is quite simply an atrocious red light runner. There has been some fatal accidents at this junction. This clip was sent in to me and the camera was complaining about the pedestrian. What do you think about that clip? Whatever the camera said to that guy, he didn't fancy waiting around too long and arguing. We've got a roundabout and there's a central island with some markings around. Someone obviously wasn't happy, but luckily enough, the camera's got a rear camera also. To me, it looks as though this grey people carrier has straight-lined the roundabout and gone straight across the markings just so they can get on the horn at the camera. What do you think? I'm not too sure about the dodgy picture quality in this clip, but we had to show it. Look at the driving school car that goes into the middle of the junction and can't clear. The camera had music on, so that's why I've removed all the audio, but he did go straight away and blame the instructor. It more than likely was an instructor conducting a lesson, but can you think of any instances where the instructor may not have been in the car? What I'd also like to ask is how do you think that the learner driver coped after they'd made the initial mistake? Let me know in the comments. This isn't a video, but it's a photo that one of my viewers sent in, and honestly, it says it all. There's no need for an analysis from me. What do you think of this? Where's the danger going to come from in this clip? Could any of the parked cars be a problem? Have you spotted it yet? It's just a good job that the camera was driving at such a sensible speed. Hats off to you. I'll leave the audio on this clip, but there are a few swear words that I'm going to have to delete.
Stupid bitch. Stupid.
I'm even going to let him off a couple of swear words because what he does next is absolutely exceptional, and we can all take a leaf out of this guy's book. Park in and chill out. Brilliant. The viewer who sent this clip in called it a deliberate swerve. I'm going to leave the rest of the clip to you and let you make up your own mind. This clip shows another driving instructor not doing things correctly. Look at the road the other side behind the emergency services. I'm pretty sure they shouldn't have gone that way down that side of the road. What do you think? I was absolutely gutted to turn the audio off on this clip, so I'm going to put a link to the track that was playing in the top corner. Now sit back, relax and watch a crash. Ouch. I don't think that's going to T-cut out. Watch the lorry in the far distance. Oops. Again, the footage is less than sharp, but we can make out both of these lanes can go ahead at the roundabout, but the red car to the right seems to think otherwise. Watch when we get to the other side what happens. That's a nice little spot and save from the camera in my opinion. What do you think? I always say when two lanes merge into one, it causes huge amounts of road rage on our roads. The green Mercedes and the grey van get a little bit territorial. Great job. That helped everyone out. Here's a clip from a fellow driving instructor. I'm going to speed things up a bit, else we're going to be here all day. The instructor's sticking to the speed limit and this SUV is caught up quite quickly behind. He then proceeds to overtake. No problems with that. The instructor carries on the drive, sticking to the speed limit, doing the correct things. But a little bit further up the road, guess who we meet again? And with a little bit of planning, thought and expertise, goes straight past the SUV at the lights. And have a guess who's not happy. This unfortunately is just typical of the daily abuse driving school cars get, and there needs to be a law put in place to stop this from happening. Learner drivers commonly give up their lessons when situations like this go on. No, you're not seeing things wrong. This is a clip sent in to me by a viewer from Italy. Now, can you work out what actually went wrong here? Do you think the camera should be going all the way round the outside of that roundabout? Or are the rules different in Italy? This is something we see all too often on our motorways. Tailgating. But when lorries do it, it's even worse. their stopping distances are greatly increased. This is a nice wide overtake by the camera. It looks as though someone's filming these cyclists, but that's not the problem. Watch far round the corner at the motorbike. You should never overtake on solid white lines. It's lethal. This again is another clip from my home city, and it's turning onto a road called Edge Lane. There are 2 lanes that head round to the right. I'm not sure the purple car knew that though. I'm not sure what actually starts this off. Yes, the camera is a little close to the car in front, but there's no reason whatsoever for the car in front to do this.
Really?
Well done to the camera for not rising to it. And that's what we've got to be like on today's roads.
So which was your favourite clip? Now don't forget to let me know down in the comments, and literally that's all you've got to do to get into the competition to win this dashcam. Now, while we're talking about the dashcam, I would like to add that there's no way in the world that this video is sponsored. I've purchased that dashcam for one particular reason, and it's to give a little bit of back to my viewers. Massive thanks for watching and all your support as always. Take care everyone, and I hope to see you all soon.